We are in Koszalin on the new football pitch. We as Q4C.PL have delivered for this project a complete locker room and sanitary facilities. This complex consists of 9 modules, 2 locker rooms, sanitary zones for both teams, and staff facilities. The first room is for referees or coaches. The room is equipped with staff lockers and place to rest. And behind this door there is a bathroom. The clear signage on the walls leads us to the locker room. Let's take a look inside. We have 2 mirrored locker rooms, each one offers space for 20 players to get changed. Every locker is secured with an electronic lock. Inside there's a shelf and hooks, all designed for comfortable use. From the locker room, players can go into the sanitary zone, where they'll find wash basins, a toilet, urinals and showers, allowing them to freshen up after a tough training session or a match. Here we have 3 showers, 2 urinals, a toilet cubicle and a large water heater, ensuring plenty of hot water. The toilet cubicle is built with HPL boards, making it functional and hygienic. Worth noting is the flooring. With high wear resistance, provides a tight seal, is heat welded and easy to maintain. The entire facility is equipped with premium PVC joinery, including air vents, which provide additional ventilation. And speaking of ventilation, of course there are ventilation grills on both sides of the room. Behind these doors, we have a technical room, which can also be a storage space. Here we have a professionally prepared electrical switchboard. At the end, there is a social room. A perfect place for meetings and relaxation. The kitchenette is equipped with a sink and faucet, a fridge with freezer, drawers for storage, and a waste bin. Let us know what you think about the setup. Take care. Bye. Q4C.PL.